Hello for TikTok, YouTube and other channels. Back for another old Sunday session with Sippy Sean. What have you been doing? You've been watching the Num Num on the telly? Oh, there's dog. Has he got his toy? Oh, I think he's dropped his toy. It's not Num 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 Num. I know you're wanting some Num Num Num. Shall we? Oh, shall we? Ah, good boy. So what you been watching on the telly? What you been watching on the telly? The Num Num? Yeah. What's that chop doing? Is he playing with his toys? You're going to tell me. Good boy. Get a kiss his eyes in the soppy. Soppy zippy. Good boy. Anyway. What we're going to watch on telly? Num Num. We're going to watch Num Num. Oh, so it's another session for me, this daft parrot here, and the doggy that's behind me here. For dog and parrot. Yeah. Peace out.